How to fix Telegram connecting problem. So if you're facing a problem with Telegram and if it says connecting, then what you need to do is let's first open up the Telegram application, and here on the upper side it may say connecting for a few seconds, but if it says connecting for a long time, then it means you don't have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will have that kind of problem. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, go with your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, turn it on, and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your settings. So tap and hold on to your Telegram application and then go for app info. Under app info, go for storage and cache, go for clear cache, and also go for clear storage. Once you've done that, now you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go for network and internet, and then go for SIM card and mobile network, and under that make sure that you have allowed the mobile data option if you're using your mobile data. And under your network management, make sure that you have chosen 3G, 4G, and make sure that you have allowed the app to use the network. So go with your Telegram, search for Telegram, and make sure that the option is toggled on. And if it is, then your problem will be fixed. And after doing all of this, now you need to go for the last step, which is open up your Play Store. Under Play Store, go for the search and search for Telegram. Once you search here, if you have any updates under your Telegram, then you just need to simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. And you need to restart your device in order to work all of these settings. So press and hold on to your power button and restart. And once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.